To create a video reel using Google Flow, first go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a script. The script should contain 3 scenes and each scene should be approximately 10 seconds long, making the total video length around 30 seconds. After that, go to Google Flow and click on the new project option and select video as the project type. Choose the ingredient option, set the aspect ratio to 9 by 16 for creating reels. Select 1x quality mode and set the video duration to 10 seconds. And after, copy the script generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the script section. Once the first video is generated, copy the same two script from ChatGPT and follow the same process again in Google Flow. After that, go back to ChatGPT again and copy the scene 3 script, then return to Google Flow and follow the same step as before. After generating all 3 videos, click on each reel and watch it carefully to check whether the scene, character, visual and voiceover are created correctly. If the video looks good and match your script, leave it as it is. If any scene does not look right, has incorrect visual, missing elements or inconsistent character, go back to ChatGPT and modify the script or prompt for the specific scene. In Google Flow, a 10-second video requires 15 credit. Since we are creating 3 scenes of 10 seconds each, you will need a total of 45 credit to generate the complete 30-second reel. Before you start, make sure you have enough credit available in your account. When all 3 videos have been generated, click the download option at the top of each video and download them one by one. Make sure you successfully download scene 1, scene 2 and scene 3. After downloading all 3 videos, go to the Edit application. If you do not have it installed, open the Play Store, search for Edit and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the app and get ready to combine and edit your 3 video clip into a single reel. Once your reel is ready, watch the entire video from start to finish to make sure everything looks correct, including the scene, transitions, text and audio. If everything looks good, click the download button and save the final reel to your device. Your reel is now ready to post on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts or any other social media platform.